Yiddish, it was like after being in that museum and in all that atmosphere, and because of the Hebrew that I can read, so every 2 days someone from the museum comes and asks me to read him Yiddish, and I'm reading it, and I'm telling you understand, and I can read, so I'll read and you understand. So it's like a strange, strange thing to feel like you can read everything and not understand. So I decided that it can help me in my work, and it's never too many languages. Like I know not so few languages, but it's okay for me to know one more. And many people ask me, why do you need that? Simply I feel like needing that.